Imagine you're a tiny traveler, embarking on an extraordinary adventure, a journey unlike any other. Starting your journey not from a distant shore, but from the very heart of the sun, the source of all light and warmth in our solar system. This is a place of unimaginable heat and power, a fiery furnace where the very fabric of reality is constantly being reshaped. Here, deep within the sun's core, nuclear fusion takes place, a process where hydrogen atoms are forced together to create helium. This reaction releases tremendous bursts of energy in the form of solar radiation, a constant outpouring of light and particles. This energy, in the form of light and heat, is the lifeblood of our solar system, the fuel that drives countless processes. Before it can escape, this energy bounces around inside the sun for thousands of years, a chaotic dance within the solar interior. It takes a zigzagging path through dense layers of plasma, a journey filled with countless deflections and redirections. Finally, after millennia of wandering, it reaches the sun's surface, the photosphere, and escapes as a photon, a single particle of light, ready to embark on its interstellar journey. It begins racing across space at the speed of light, an unimaginable velocity that defies human comprehension. In just 8 minutes, a cosmic blink of an eye, it travels 93 million miles, bridging the vast gulf to reach Earth. This incredible journey happens every second of every day, a continuous and relentless process, powering and fueling life on our planet, sustaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The sun's energy is a constant, invisible river, flowing ceaselessly across the void, connecting us to the very heart of our solar system, a cosmic link that binds us all together. Our story follows this single packet of energy, this lone traveler on an epic quest. We trace its epic voyage from the sun's core, through the vastness of space to our own world. Let's see what happens next, as our photon nears its final destination, as it finally arrives at Earth, ready to play its part in the grand tapestry of life. Solar radiation, the energy constantly emitted by our sun, is much more than just the sunlight we see. It's a fundamental force that drives countless processes on Earth. In reality, it's a broad spectrum of energy, encompassing a wide range of wavelengths and frequencies, each with its unique properties and effects. Visible light, the portion we can perceive with our eyes, is what brightens our days, illuminates the world around us, and brings color to our world. Infrared radiation, on the other hand, is invisible to the naked eye, but you feel it as warmth gently caressing your skin, a tangible reminder of the sun's energy. Ultraviolet, or UV radiation, is another invisible part of the solar spectrum, possessing shorter wavelengths and higher energy levels. It's helpful in small doses, stimulating vitamin D production, but too much exposure can lead to sunburn and other harmful effects. All these different forms of energy, from visible light to infrared and ultraviolet, travel together through space, journeying millions of miles from the sun to Earth. This mix of light, heat, and UV radiation profoundly shapes our environment, influences weather patterns, and impacts our lives in countless ways. Without infrared radiation trapping heat, Earth would freeze into a lifeless snowball. Without visible light, there'd be no color, no vision, and no photosynthesis to sustain plant life. UV radiation helps us make vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune function, but we need to protect ourselves from its strength with sunscreen and protective clothing. Solar radiation, in all its forms, is the sun's incredible gift to us, a complete package deal that powers our planet, drives our climate, and shapes our world in profound ways. Understanding the nature of solar radiation and its diverse effects helps us appreciate the sun's vital and multifaceted role in sustaining life on Earth. When solar radiation reaches Earth, it meets our atmosphere, a protective shield of gases. The ozone layer acts like sunglasses, blocking most harmful UV rays and keeping us safe. The atmosphere lets in visible light and some infrared, warming land and oceans. Earth absorbs this energy, then radiates some back as heat. Greenhouse gases trap part of this heat, creating a natural blanket that keeps our planet livable. This balance, energy in, energy out, regulates Earth's climate. The atmosphere's careful filtering makes life possible, protecting us while letting in just enough sun. It's a delicate dance that sustains everything we know. The sun, a colossal star at the heart of our solar system, is the engine that drives Earth's weather. Its radiant energy streams through space, a constant force shaping our planet's environment. It dictates climate, influencing everything from the icy expanses of the poles to the lush rainforests of the equator. These global weather patterns are all interconnected, driven by the sun's energy. And perhaps most importantly, the sun's energy is essential for life itself. Without it, our planet would be a barren, frozen wasteland, incapable of supporting the incredible biodiversity we see today. The equator, positioned at 0 degrees latitude, gets the most direct and intense sunlight throughout the year. This concentrated solar energy fuels the warm, humid climates of the tropics. Conversely, the poles, located at the Earth's extreme north and south, get far less direct sunlight. This uneven distribution of solar energy creates significant temperature differences across the globe, setting the stage for a dynamic interplay of atmospheric forces. These temperature gradients, in turn, power winds, driving air masses across continents and oceans, shaping regional weather patterns. The sun's energy also influences ocean currents, creating vast, circulating rivers of water that distribute heat around the planet. This constant movement of both air and water is what shapes our ever-changing weather, creating the diverse climates and conditions we experience around the world. The sun's influence can be seen in everything, from gentle breezes to the formation of fierce storms, demonstrating the raw power of solar energy at work. Sunlight is also the primary driver of photosynthesis, the remarkable process where plants turn light into food, converting solar energy into chemical energy that sustains life. This process forms the very foundation of every food chain, supporting all life on Earth, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest animals. Every meal we eat, every breath we take, ultimately traces back to the sun's life-giving energy, highlighting our profound connection to this celestial body. But while the sun is essential for life, too much sun can also be dangerous. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can damage skin, increasing the risk of skin cancer and premature aging. And during the summer months, extreme heat waves can threaten life, particularly for vulnerable populations. The sun is both a giver of warmth and light, but also a powerful force to respect, demanding caution and awareness. Our challenge as inhabitants of this planet is to enjoy its many benefits, harnessing its energy for our needs, while simultaneously protecting ourselves and our environment from its potential extremes, ensuring a sustainable future. The sun's touch is undeniably powerful, shaping our world in countless ways, influencing everything from the smallest ecosystem to the largest weather patterns. Living in harmony with the sun means understanding both its incredible gifts and its inherent risks, allowing us to thrive under its life-giving light. Today, we're harnessing the sun's power in new ways, using solar panels to turn sunlight into clean electricity. Solar energy is transforming how we power our homes and cities, helping fight climate change. By choosing solar, we reduce pollution and build a more sustainable future. Scientists also study the sun to protect our technology and atmosphere, learning how to live safely with its power. Our connection to the sun is ancient, but our understanding is growing. The sunlight that reaches us fuels our lives, our food, and now, our future. By embracing solar energy, we honor the sun's gift and build a brighter tomorrow. The sun's story is our story, one of energy, life, and hope.